Hello, kids. Are you ready to play a fun game? It's called Sink or Float. We'll drop objects into water, and you have to guess. Will it sink or will it float? Let's get started. Round 1. An apple. Will it sink or float?
Time's up.
Yes, apples float. Fantastic! Round 2. A toy car. What's your guess?
Time's up.
Zoom! The toy car sinks. Amazing! Round 3. A feather, light and fluffy.
Time's up.
Wow! The feather floats on top. Superstar! Round 4. A heavy stone.
Time's up.
Crash! The stone sinks down. Fantastic! Round 5. A bouncy rubber ball. What do you think?
Time's up.
Yes! The rubber ball floats. Amazing! Round 6. A balloon full of air.
Time's up.
Boing! The balloon bobs on the water. Superstar! Round 7. Here comes a shiny spoon.
Time's up.
Plop! The spoon sinks fast. Fantastic! Round 8. An orange. Will it sink or float?
Time's up.
Yes, oranges float because of their peel. Amazing! Round 9. A shiny coin.
Time's up.
Down it goes. The coin sinks. Superstar! Round 10. An empty plastic bottle.
Time's up.
Pop! The bottle floats on top. Fantastic! Round 11. A rubber duck. Quack, quack.
Time's up.
Of course, ducks float on water. Amazing. Round 12. A metal key. What's your guess?
Time's up.
Clink. The key sinks straight down. Superstar. Yay, kids! You did it! You played sink or float like true champions. Remember, you can try this game at home with safe objects and see what sinks and what floats. Bye-bye. See you next time.